Today, I'm reviewing the Xbot Go, a device that promises to turn your smartphone into an AI-powered sports cameraman. Full disclosure, Xbot Go sent me this unit to review, but they're not paying me for this video. All opinions here are my own. I've already unboxed it and I've tested it out. Now let's talk about it and how it actually performs and whether it's worth your money. So what is the Xbot Go? Essentially, it is an AI tracking device that locks onto athletes and follows them automatically while filming. The idea is that you don't need a cameraman anymore. Just set it up on the sidelines, press record, and it does the work for you. This is especially aimed at parents filming their kids' games, small sports teams who can't hire a videographer, or creators who want an easy way to capture dynamic footage. In terms of setup, it's super straightforward. You mount your phone, connect through the app, and within a couple of minutes, it's ready to go. The build quality is decent, compact, portable, and feels sturdy enough for outdoor use. Now let's get to the important part. How does it perform? The AI tracking is surprisingly solid. It was able to keep up with fast movement, well, fastish movements most of the time, and the framing was generally pretty good. There were a few moments where it lost track, especially with sudden direction changes or when multiple players crossed in front of each other. But for the most part, it stayed locked on and delivered usable footage. Here are the pros of the Xbot Go. The biggest win is convenience. Once it's running, you can focus on watching the game rather than filming. It is also much more affordable than professional auto-tracking cameras. It is also portable and easy to throw in a bag. Of course, there are also cons. It still struggles in really crowded scenarios. Sometimes the AI gets confused. Video quality is obviously limited by your smartphone's camera and not the device itself. Battery life could be a bit better if you're filming a full game. So, guys, is the Xbot Go worth it? I'd say yes. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to capture sports without being stuck behind the camera, this is a great tool. It's not perfect, but for the price and convenience, it definitely delivers. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck. So one of the misconceptions I had that this thing alone was already a camera, but that it is not. So this is more or less a LiDAR sensor for your camera, and with this it can track the players, the ball, and everything. If you're, let's say you are watching a match of soccer, football, hockey, volleyball, whatever, this is just a sensor. So this is not the actual camera. The actual camera is from your phone. Keep that in mind. So here you can see the app and how it's working. If you want to record something, you want to film something, just press here. You got all those different options: soccer, basketball, ice hockey, handball, follow me. So there are many sport activities that you can select. I'm going to select follow me because right now I'm not doing any kind of sport activities. And then here it says you can just lock the target and unlock the target. And then with this little OK gesture, you can have it locked as well on yourself. But as you see, the phone is actually the camera and not the device itself. So let's try it out. So here, press record. And I think if I just use this, now it follows me around, and it goes quite fast as well. See if I turn around, will it still track me from this distance? So let's say I go here, or quick to here. So it looks like for sport activities it works totally fine. And reliable as well. I think the overall distance can be extended even to more meters. I think if I was to go outside, it can still track me. So yeah, works perfectly fine.